收到啦。
講得好似有到起身。
咩啊？講多次。
搞錯，佢帶住咁大把刀嘅。
明白。
情報話目標喺南邊過緊嚟啊。
嗯，清楚。OK，各單位準備，同我睇實佢。
你捉個 Wei Shen 先好啊。
He's only.
I'm not fucking blind.
Relax, old boy. We're on the same side, remember?
條友都幾串喎。喂，有冇貨？
Yeah, you got the money?
喂，情況有變。
咩啊？
有個碼頭警衛，佢由後面上緊嚟啊！
揾人截住佢啦！
冇可能，我哋呢度太遠啦路。
細路唔好亂嚟啊！
Look, I can get you 3-4 keys a week if you want.
睇下點？
What? My shit's not good enough for you?
喂，究竟發生咩事啊？
咩啊？邊撚個啊你？
停手，咪喐！
Come, my friend.
Are you crazy? No, don't.
Maybe we can sort something out, huh?
你兇我啊！你知唔知我係邊個啊？
所有伙計唔好俾佢走得啦！截住佢！
好傷害我啊
Fucking hell! Don't do it, man! Don't do it!
喺我面前，我亂嚟啊
Let's go! Let's go!
What's the next? You see anyone? I think they're at the wall. Crazy fuck! Hurry up! Oh, shit! Run! Stay with me! Come on, hurry up! Hurry up! Come on, come on! Are you crazy? Keep moving! Keep going! You're not getting me! What's with these guys? Oh my god! Son of a bitch!
Hey man, I told you next week，下個禮拜 OK？OK？
點解你同我講埋呢啲
喂
嘢啊？
喂 Shan，It's Jackie from Old Prosperity, man.
Oh shit. Jackie Ma.
唔撚係啊 ，It is you. I can't fucking believe it. What are you doing here? When did you get back? Well, wait. Wait, Shen? Man, this is going to be great.
Yeah, thanks again, Jackie. I appreciate the intro.
No problem, man. By the way, you know I tried looking... Still getting used to being back, huh?
Yeah. So Winston's a red pole now?
All this territory is Winston's. But Dog Eye's pushing in.
If they're both red poles, shouldn't they be on the same side?
Should be. Dog Eyes always was an asshole. Turns out, he's a greedy asshole, too. One thing, when we get to Winston's, let me do the introductions. They're really distrustful of new faces right now.
So why all the paranoia?
Sun On Yee had a rat. From what I hear, they didn't let him have a quick death. Made it real slow and painful.
好啦，咁都有嘅。
Hey, Jill May, how are you, baby?
Jackie, you.
話你知啊！
點啊？好撚雞啊！腳軟你，睇下你有冇命行出去。喺度搞嚟嚼我啊！啊！全部人一齊上！好撚雞啊！腳軟你，你啊！打到你撚緊仆街！我睇我幫你收屍啦！老味同我打大力啲！你仔驚咪走先啦！打到你撚緊仆街！你仔驚咪走先啦！我鬧防守啦！打啦！先放開！你做咩啊？點啊？好撚雞啊！腳軟你！揼翻隻狗啦！睇下你有冇命出去！
You kidding me?
你死硬啦！
Yeah, all right. Come the fuck on.
我呢鋪
仆街死撚緊啊！
揾你老婆幫你收
佢點走？
打撚爆你個頭！夠薑你就開拖啦！打你撚緊仆街！你啊打出佢啦！揾你老婆幫你！搞錯咗喎！睇下你有冇命行出去！點啊？好撚大，腳軟你！係啊，夾住你啊！攬你打啦！
Come on.
揾你老婆幫你收屍啦！你咁冇大鑊啊！一齊打殘佢哋！Fuck you！
Are you done? I'm still here. Come and get me.
死梗啊！ Damn, Wayne! What did they do to you in America, man?
That looked nasty. You okay?
Here we are. Winston's mom owns the restaurant.
Whoa! Where the fuck do you think you go? So you're the tough guy that everyone's talking about.
過嚟啊，仆街！
You like
Hey,
that?
you think you can fight?
How about that?
I bet you fuck.
Come on, cowboy! Get him!
You think you're hot shit, huh? Let's see what happens when shit gets real.
點啊？好撚雞啊！腳軟你！
That all you got? You gonna back down?
Wipe that smile off your face.
Come on, fight back. Why did you get out of here? Huh? You like that? How about that?
Hello, boys.
Shit.
Hey！你哋搞乜撚嘢啊？
This will be easy. No problem. You just have to be strong. That's what people respect. So you mentioned your sister back there.
Amy? Yeah, she OD'd. Years ago now. I mean, after we moved to the States, she tried to kick that shit butt.
That sucks. She was, you know, really alive.
My mother thought maybe a new city, new country, but the hooks weren't deep.
And once you start on that shit, it's hard to stop. For anybody.
Yeah, all right.
Thanks. Hope you enjoyed it as much as we did.
Special supplier.
Oh, man. And it was Dog Eyes that got her into it?
Yep. Fucking dog eyes.
You gonna tell Winston?
Oh, you?
Shit, Wade. Winston's the boss.
Serve it up.
Here you go.
You're my best friend, man. That means more than a boss, you know?
Hey, buddy. Lola, come check it out. Hey,
You want DVDs? Every DVD you want, right here. Hey, all Hollywood movies, super cheap.
Hey, veggies! You want veggies?
Joey Kwan sells pirate DVDs. Let's start with him.
Man, you want new clothes? Why don't you let me dress you? Hey, big man, you want some new clothes? Come in! See what I got? All fresh! Hey, come on in. I got special deal for you.
平啲啦，我成日幫襯。
My groceries.
唔係啊嘛？唉，好啦。
Hey, little brother. We work for Winston.
I understand. How can I help?
Winston runs this place, and if you don't want trouble, you pay him. Period.
Of course,
You
no
want
problem.
good clothes for less? I got special deals.
You need anything? Just come ask.
Hey, sexy man, you want new clothes? Why don't you let me dress you? Hey, you want food? You want good clothes for less? I got special deals.
My friend bought me this new portable music player. It's so
Hey, come on in. I got special deal for you.
You know, this is gonna piss Dog Eyes off. At some point, Winston and Dog Eyes are gonna clash, man. It's going to